Hi, Steve Erickson, my wife Anju, who's not here. Come to talk about our kitchen. So we moved into this house about 6 to 8 months ago, and the house was from the 1950s. One side of the house was updated. This side was still original. So it had, along here was all old tin cabinets that didn't work. And there was a wall here, and there was a cabinet here that came all the way around, and it was a peninsula. It basically meant that this was all a waste of space, not a usable kitchen. So we knew first that what we wanted to do was open the wall. We talked with the engineer, and then we built the kitchen around the cabinets. Really liked the cabinets, and we wanted to make sure that everything would work with it. So the attention to detail was very important, as well as this wall. Wanted to make sure that all of this here was flush and looks nice, clean, and open. Because this is now a nice big space that works with the rest of the house, which is, about 5 years ago. So we reached out to Camille at PrimeCustom because we had worked with a colleague of his who had had a good experience before. And he came out, and it was very quick, gave a very good price, and it was no nonsense. Especially with this, we knew that from talking with him and with our cabinet designer at Kitchen and Bath Studios, that she knew from her experience that he knew what he was talking about. So this was the most important piece of this. And then making sure that he understood what he was talking about. We have a lot of attention to detail with our appliances as well. There's a Libra fridge and a Blue Star. So everything being in place was very important. And we started there. So in terms of working with Camille, it was very quick, no drama. And most importantly, everything's in place where it needs to be. We have a young daughter also, so in terms of maintaining all the dust along the way, that he was always picking up our calls. And I think that's really important as well, being responsive, because not every renovation is going to go to plan. There's always surprises. So when we ran into issues, they were resolved quickly. So, I think when you look around, it's all beautiful. When you look at this, you wouldn't know that there was a wall here. It's clean, crisp, and we love it. So, thank you.